This here, it's S7 PLC 1200, a Anybus gateway from Profibus to Modbus TCP, a Ethernet hub or switch. That you can see all green lights, and here I have an Arduino Mega with a Ethernet shield mounted on, acting as a Modbus TCP slave. And on the PC I have a data table watching values here, and watching the values from the Arduino into 3 different words. Here is the Arduino sketch. I'm taking analog 0, 1, and 2 values, 60-bit word values, and then transferring through the gateway. I set the gateway with 3 registers being transferred in a transition from the Arduino slave or server into the gateway, and then passing the gateway to the Profibus side, and then into the Siemens F7 1214C PLC. I had to struggle a little bit. I was getting a lot of faults here. The most confusing part is knowing what is writing and what is reading from. The gateway is acting as a slave to the PLC. So on the other side of the gateway, there must be another slave. So a slave responds to requests from the PLC. As you can see, I got no alarms on the Profibus side. The Anybus web-based setup system is working fine. I'm opening a Visual Studio project, a solution I have based on the advanced HMI open system that has been around for a while. I have just here a digital display showing values of my 3 analogs. I'm just going to copy to make 3 of those. This is very simple. You just need to add. I'm just copying them, and I'm going to set the the holding register value. So it's 40,001, 40,002, and 40,003. So I'm just going to set to what address in the communication driver on the Visual Studio they're looking at. You're setting those according to what I have on the Arduino Mega. So the gateway is transferring 3 input words from the Anybus into the PLC. So the Anybus Profibus to Modbus TCP gateway is doing the transition, and I finally got it to work. It was a little bit of a struggle, but this is the end result. I am both reading the Arduino on the Visual Studio HMI and web-based gateway service, and also here on the S7 TIA portal data watch table. Hope you guys can see it. The values are just identical. This is just a test. Thanks for watching.